Hi guys, my name is Twinkle. Welcome back to my channel. So I have created this look using only Maybelline products, and since Maybelline is very easily available and it's affordable, so I thought of doing this video. So if you want to know how I did this, then please continue watching the video. So I have already primed and moisturized my face. I'm directly gonna start with the foundation. I have a Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. This is how it looks like. To apply the concealer. This is my favorite concealer from the same Fit Me range. I'm in the shade 25 medium. With the same brush I'm gonna apply that, and the foundation is looking slightly light on camera, but it will settle down in a while. It does oxidizes on my skin, so yeah. So my base is done almost, so I'm gonna set it with the Maybelline Superfresh powder. I'm in the shade Pearl. This is my favorite powder. I'm using it since ages, so yes, I'm gonna do that. And now I'm moving to my favorite part, blush and highlighting. So for blush, I'm using Colorshow blush from Maybelline, and from the packaging you can see how much I love it. So this is in the shade Peachy Sweetie, and this is how it looks like. This is my favorite blush. Apply the highlighter. So this is Maybelline Masterchrome by Facestudio Metallic Highlighter. This is in the shade 100 Molten Gold. If you think that anything is too much, then you can of course set it with the base brush. Since I don't have eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the same blush on my eyes and the highlighter which I used. So I'm gonna take a brush like this and apply it all over my eyelid. I do have most of the products from Maybelline, but I don't have eyeshadow, so I'm gonna work with this since it's a one brand tutorial. I'm doing it with very light hand. I'm not doing it very precisely because I want that peachy look and I don't want to be precise this time. So I'm gonna take the same highlighter and I'm gonna use it in my inner corners and on my brow bone. So I'm gonna take a brush like so and use it near my brow bone, like under my brow bone. It will instantly enhance your eyes. And I'm gonna use the same highlighter on my inner corners. This looks good. I'm happy with whatever it turned out. So now it's time for eyes, and I'm gonna use Maybelline New York Eyestudio Gel Eyeliner. It comes with the brush, but I like to use this brush, so I'm gonna use the brush like so and do my eyeliner. So I have done both the eyes. Now whatever is left on the brush, I'm just gonna fill it in my waterline and tight line. It looks really nice. So now I'm gonna move on to the mascara. And I have Maybelline the HyperCurl Volume Express Mascara. This is how it looks like. I have waterproof version. I will link every product in the description box. So my eyes are almost done. Now I'm gonna move on to my eyebrows. So I am gonna use Maybelline FashionBrow Creme Pencil. This is how it looks like. It's in the shade grey. I already have bushy eyebrows, but I like to brush and fill them, so I'm gonna do that. So eyebrows are done too. So the last thing I'm gonna do is lipstick. I'm gonna use Maybelline New York Lipgradation by Color Sensational in the shade Mauve 1. I have talked a lot about this lipstick in my top 5 nude lipsticks. I will link it down so you can check it. So it has this sponge applicator as well if you wanna do ombre lips, but I'm just gonna apply it normally. It's really soft on lips. So the lipstick is done and my makeup is done. I'm gonna set it with rose water or something. So these were the products of Maybelline from which I have created this look. I don't have contour palette and eyeshadow palette, but I think that's okay. You can work with the things you have. So I'm gonna get ready and show you finally how I look. So this is the final look. I have paired the golden hoops to complete this look, and I'm very happy about how it turned out. And this is like my go-to thing. I usually apply blush as my eyeshadow if I'm in a hurry. So this is like my go-to look, be it any product, be it any brand. And yeah, this is how it looks. I'm really happy.